Okay. Hi students. Good afternoon. ठीक है आज as promised yesterday I'll complete the third module today and only the part which is helpful for as a general knowledge also and for entrepreneurship also and for any kind of organization where you are applying उससे भी थोड़ा related है तो whether you are going to apply thank you right presents are in the chat box ठीक है Okay, so four types which I just mentioned in the last class: sole proprietorship, partnership, joint stock company or a company, limited liability partnership, and okay, one more I mentioned cooperative. Okay, what are cooperative societies? तो इसके बारे में only brief about what is that and the difference between those things. ठीक है, उतना करके we'll wind up the session. Then from the next class I can start with the fourth module. And probably confirm नहीं है but probably in the next week your second IA might be scheduled. ठीक है, तो second IA में ये वाला और fourth module का जितना होता है देखते हैं. So I'll put that. And as yesterday we were discussing organization study का भी I'll schedule next week a session. How to approach the organization, what will be the format and how to do the organization study basically. वो सब भी next week I'll be scheduling that. ठीक है, so me and Varun sir will be taking that session and we'll be informing how to go about it, how to approach company, what kind of company it should be there and what kind of information you need for your organization study project. ठीक है, ये इतना ही है. तो आगे सब लोग a small session of today business forms of business organization. Mainly ये 5 forms है: sole proprietorship, partnership, LLP, joint stock companies and cooperatives. ठीक है, as per Indian parlance is concerned. Okay, fine. Okay, so first thing is a sole proprietorship. Sole proprietorship, again a single person will be there who will be who will be managing the show. He will put all his investment, all his capital to form the business, to run the business. All his working capital, investments, everything will be from his side, and then all the profits which is he will be earning, it will be shared by him. Okay, so अकेला बंदा है, सब कुछ हैंडल कर रहा है, सब कुछ संभाल रहा है. He may be having some workers with him working, but he is the only ownership and the decision maker of the company. Okay, so because of that, the size of sole proprietorship, एक कंपनी है जैसे रहता है ना M/S रहता है, मेसर्स अविनाश एंड कंपनी ऐसे, तो वो भी एक सोल प्रोप्राइटरशिप का नेक्स्ट पार्ट है. Okay, but ऐसे ही सोल प्रोप्राइटरशिप में because of that small size will be there. Okay, small size of the company will be there, so it is easy to form. Easily I can take any decision, I can keep easily anything secret, so I'll not share with the financials, the pricing decisions, the costing with anyone. Okay, वो मेरा personal रहेगा. So a small hotel, small shop, okay, anything like that will be a sole proprietorship. Okay, and it will have business freedom. कभी भी कुछ भी बंद करके I can open anything, I can start anything. But the problem will be the capital limitation will be there. Okay, as he's investing all his money, there will be limited capital he can invest, but unlimited liability will be there. So if he has taken loans, if he has bought some items on credit, it is his liability to pay. Okay, he need to pay it from his own pocket if he is having loss in the business. तो भी उसके खुद के पॉकेट से, खुद के बैंक अकाउंट से, फैमिली में से लेके he has to pay the amount to the creditors, to the bank if he is having losses. So unlimited liability है इस केस में. And the problem can come because of wrong decision making. क्योंकि अकेला बंदा है, he is managing the show. If any wrong decisions he is taking, he doesn't have anyone to consult. Okay, maybe a few family members or friends or few business people who he is in touch with can help him, but they can just give him the advice. Okay, the final decision making is on him. So there is a wrong decision can happen in that. So that's the reason he cannot grow the business, because people will not be trusting him that much. ठीक है, even if he's from 5 years or 10 years in the same business, so the trust will be limited and he cannot have economies of scale, so which we call, he can only order few things, only sell few things because of the small size of the business, and he cannot expand it because of limited capital and limited things. ठीक है, but as it's not mentioned in this syllabus, but along with sole proprietorship, according to Companies Act 2013, one man company or one person company has been incorporated into that law. Okay, one man company maybe it is similar to sole proprietorship, but it will be a company. Okay, so as so, ठीक है, I'll explain it in the joint stock company itself, one man company. Okay, it will be similar to sole proprietorship, but it will be a company. It will not be a proprietorship. Okay, I'll explain it in the 3 slide after 2 slides. Okay, एक second. Okay, next is about the partnership. Partnership, the next thing after sole proprietorship, sole proprietor mein, it was only the one person, okay, who was handling the business. So he can hand the business up to certain years. Then might be his heir will take care. Okay, his son or daughter will take care of the business. If they don't take care, then the business needs to be shut down. So there is a pretty high chances of shutting down the business in sole proprietorship. So इसके लिए क्या करते हैं, we form a partnership. इसके लिए क्या करते हैं, we form a partnership. In partnership there will be more than 2 partners. As per partnership law भी नहीं है, you don't have it, but as per the partnership act, there may be 2 kind of partnership companies or partnership firms. Okay, a banking will be different. Okay, and other non-banking will be different. Other than banking, any other company, the partnership will be different. So initially it was 20 partners maximum can be there, but it has been increased to 100 partners now. So that means 100 partners can be there in one company maximum. Okay, and 50 in banking companies maximum will be there. Okay, but minimum 2 partners should be there in any partnership firm. So 2 or more partners, they can form a partnership firm. There will be a partnership deed signed, okay, in which how much the investment will be there from each partner, and there will be a contractual relation between each of the partner. Okay, it is very easy to form. Okay, partnership firm is not that difficult. Sole proprietorship तो उधर तो कुछ form करना ही नहीं है. You don't have to report to anyone. You just need to take a license and you can start the business. Okay, you don't need to set up a company. You can just give a name, register that name, and you can start it. You don't need to maintain many such documents which the company needs to maintain. Sole proprietorship में, partnership में, there are few documents which you need to maintain. Partnership deed रहेगा, arrangement रहेगा, how many partners are there. ठीक है, what are the rights of a partner, they can involved into business. So it will be shared among everyone. Partnership में हर चीज share है, duties and rights will be shared. Okay, unlike sole proprietorship. But even in partnership, they will be having unlimited liability. If one partner, if you guys have planned something and you are starting a small business and just checking कि देखो test marketing जैसे भी कर रहे हैं, तो test marketing के लिए you have formed a partnership firm, ये partnership deed sign किया, किसने कितना invest किया करके, you have just formed, like Prachi, Jaswant, Pooja, Neha and Rachel, they have formed a partnership firm. And so everything should be on paper. भले कितने भी अच्छे friends हैं या कितने भी अच्छे classmates हैं, तो ये on paper it should be written how much investment each one of them have made and how much profit they will take out if the profits are there. Okay, and if losses are there, each and everyone has to bear it. Suppose suppose Prachi ने कुछ decision ले लिया for investing in a machine and producing the products in such a way, ऐसा कुछ ले लिया, बाकी partners ने okay agree किया, just that's it. They were not actively involved into buying that machine and producing that articles or products. But Prachi ने decision लिया, she has taken loan on partnership firm. Then if there is a loss, in that case the products are not sold into the market. If the firm is not able to pay the loan to the bank, then in that case each and every partner will be liable to pay the loan to the bank. Same like in sole proprietorship. Sole proprietorship में भी उसको घर से पैसे लेके आके he needs to repay the loan. Same in partnership, the unlimited liability है, that's the reason घर से पैसे लाके he need to pay and repay the loan basically. So there is unlimited liability partners में भी, ठीक है. And we have, well, there are many rights and many duties of a partners, but the basic rights are, if any of the partner is doing any wrongdoing, suppose 5 partners है, एक partner अच्छा कुछ काम नहीं कर रहा है, तो all the remaining 4 should sign to remove him. Okay, if one partner is going out of the firm, they need to पुट इट पब्लिकली, मतलब न्यूज़पेपर में एडवर्टाइजमेंट देना है, उनके वेबसाइट अगर है तो वेबसाइट पे दे नीड टू पुट इट दैट ही इज नो लॉन्गर द पार्टनर. Okay, because if he undertakes any decision on the name of partnership firm with any old supplier, then the partnership firm will be liable. उसके लिए publicly a partnership firm needs to be informed कि he is no longer a partner. If any one partner is coming, a new partner is coming, 5 partners है, 6th partner आ रहा है फर्म के अंदर, देन ऑल द पार्टनर शुड एग्री दैट ही शुड बिकम अ पार्टनर. ठीक है, मेजोरिटी विंस के हिसाब से नहीं होगा, ऑल द 5 शुड एग्री दैट द 6th पर्सन कैन बिकम अ पार्टनर. So there are many such things. The rights and duties are there of a partner. Okay, and most important thing is this: active, sleeping, nominal, holding out, secret partner. Okay, mainly ये चार है. Active means all the partners, so 5 या 6 जितने भी है, all are involved into the business. All are actively coming to the office. ठीक है, they are hold meetings हो रहा है, then decision making हो रहा है, then they are going out, maybe selling the business, we can meeting the clients, everyone is actively involved, so everyone will be called as an active partner. Suppose one of the person who is a partner but he has some another company, or he has got a job, he is not able to concentrate much on the partnership firm, but still he'll be the partner, so he'll be just partner. He'll be sometimes coming to the meeting, sometimes getting involved into the business. So he'll be not actively involved, but he'll be part of a partnership firm. So then he will be called as a sleeping partner, जो regularly नहीं आता है. ठीक है, एक और है nominal partner. Nominal सिर्फ नाम के लिए. Okay, suppose 5 of you are making a partnership firm, and you have also approached maybe me. Okay, you have approached me saying, sir, आप भी partner बन जाओ. So for the name sake, I'll become the partner. I'll not get involved, or I'll not attend itself any meeting. सिर्फ मेरा नाम लिया. Why? Because there might be some alumni or someone who you will be approaching for business guidance or for investments. तो तुम लोग बोल सकते हैं फैज सर के हमारे पार्टनर है करके, वो सिर्फ नाम के लिए. Okay, so just for the name sake, the nominal partner. Next, holding out partner. Holding out partner will not be written in the partnership deed. उसका नाम नहीं रहेगा, but he will be considered as a partner because he is working with us. ठीक है, he might be a worker in the company who is actively involved into all the decision making, but he is on paper he is not a partner, but he will be involved in all the meetings, all the major decisions. ठीक है, so that will be a person not on the paper but by oral confirmation कि वो पार्टनर है. तो हम लोग के सप्लायर्स एंड कस्टमर्स ऑल्सो नो कि ही इज एक्टिवली इन्वॉल्व. इसको बोल दिया तो भी इट विल बी एनी इन्फॉर्मेशन नीड्स टू बी पास ऑन, तो ही कैन पास इट ऑन. सो होल्डिंग आउट. फिर एक सीक्रेट पार्टनर होता है. ओके, सीक्रेट पार्टनर इज द पीपल डजंट नो ही इज अ पार्टनर और नॉट. ठीक है, इट इज समवेयर, सीक्रेट पार्टनर इज समवॉट स्लीपिंग पार्टनर एक्टिव पार्टनर के बीच में जैसे. ठीक है, ही विल बी इन्वॉल्व इनटू द मीटिंग. Okay, but the outsiders doesn't know basically कि he is a partner. ठीक है, सीक्रेट पार्टनर रहेगा वो, आउटसाइडर्स को पता नहीं रहेगा. ये क्यों करते हैं मेरे को भी आज तक पता नहीं है, ये सीक्रेट पार्टनर क्यों करते हैं. ओके, माइट बी सम फर्म डिसीजंस विल बी देयर, बट मोस्टली ये चार तो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है: एक्टिव, स्लीपिंग, नॉमिनल, होल्डिंग आउट. एक पार्टनरशिप फर्म कुछ भी बेसिक नॉलेज के लिए आई एम जस्ट इन्फॉर्मिंग. ठीक है, सो एक पार्टनरशिप डीड में इट विल बी रिटन स्लीपिंग पार्टनर है, नॉमिनल है, या एक्टिव पार्टनर है. ठीक है, होल्डिंग आउट इज फाइन, सीक्रेट इज ऑल्सो फाइन. ठीक है, चलता है. ओके, एंड देन वन मोर थिंग इज देयर, सब पार्टनर. सब पार्टनर मीन्स द पार्टनरशिप फर्म विल अपॉइंट समवन एज एन एजेंट. तो एन एजेंट विल बी एक्टिंग एज अ पार्टनर, बट ही विल नॉट बी अ फुल पार्टनर, सब पार्टनर, आधा पार्टनर है. जस्ट दैट्स इट. ठीक है, तो ये टू थिंग्स वी हैव डन: सोल प्रोप्राइटरशिप, सिंगल पर्सन हैंडलिंग द बिजनेस; पार्टनरशिप, few people will be handling the business; then limited liability partnership. ठीक है, इसमें I'll just tell you the difference between partnership and LLP. In limited liability partnership, also called as LLP, इसमें है ना, you the partners are not totally liable for everything. Okay, their investments, suppose 50,000 50 lakhs है per partner का investment, so he'll be only liable for that. So if there is a loss, he might lose entire 50 lakhs, but if there is loss more than that, he don't need to pay the amount. Loss ज़्यादा हो गया तो ठीक है, so it is an advantage for the partner. जितना investments है ना, उतना ही उसका loss हो सकता है. So limited to investments है, उसका losses या फिर उसका responsibility या फिर उसका liability, everything is limited to how much investment he has done. Okay, so and he's not responsible for the loan which the other partner have taken, and ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं. Okay, he is liable only to the investment he has made. Limited liability partnership में. Okay, so there is an advantage for it. So that's the reason partnership से better is limited liability partnership. When it is made generally when the partners are very more, मतलब very huge, maybe more than 20-25 partners है, तो उसके लिए better LLP बना देते हैं. Okay, if there are 3 or 4 partners, LLP is not required. सब दोस्त ही रहेंगे और 3-4 partners में. There will be a partnership deed. Okay, no one can. Everything will be written down. How much profits, how much investments. So there will not be a problem. If the partners are increasing, then it is better to form a limited liability partnership. Okay, so the benefits of this is somewhat of company and somewhat of partnership. थोड़ा partnership जैसा भी है, थोड़ा company जैसा भी है. But it is easier to form LLP as compared to company. Company is, there are many documentation needs to be done, many things need to be done to form a company. Okay, so there we will go. So company is definitely an artificial person. It will be totally different. ठीक है, in legal terms, in accounting terms, company will be different. Okay, in some of the in some of the cases, in legal terms, in some of the cases, if there is a personal benefit which has been taken by the owner of the company, then in that case ये हो सकता है. Okay, that person will be going to the court in that case. Okay, otherwise otherwise the company and the owner of the company are totally two different persons. So that's the reason it will have a common seal. It is kind of a signature of the company. Registration of the company, you need to do it. Okay, if you are if you want to start a company in Belgaum, registrar of companies में जाके you need to register your company, which is in अभी यहाँ पे कर्नाटक में बैंगलोर में है registrar of companies. उधर जाके there will be a documentation which you will be submitting. Okay, as of now you don't know what is a documentation, so you need to hire a CA or a company secretary या किसी को hire करके they will do the documentation, and you need to give a name and a registered office address of the company, and you can open the company. ठीक है, the details of incorporation of company is there in 6 module, so ज़्यादा detail अभी नहीं जाता. ठीक है, and there is limited liability. The shareholders of the company have put some money, so only the liability will be there only to what money they have paid. Okay, so as many will be involved into joint stock companies, मतलब एक basically companies, private company, public company जो है, that is what I'm talking about. So it will be a huge company, so economies of scale we can, in the terms of production or in the terms of marketing, in the terms of decision making or in the terms of hiring people, बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा कर सकते हैं as compared to partnership or sole proprietorship. इधर ज़्यादा order दे सकते हैं, ज़्यादा production we can do. ठीक है, we have a bargaining power because of that. If we are taking a lot of products, then it is easy for us to bargain for that product. Okay, many products we are taking or many products we are selling, the cost reduction it will be there. Okay, and research and development, we can invest money into this. Okay, as we will be having more capital and more profits, then we can easily invest in research and development from a company's perspective. Sole proprietorship ka, they will be not, he will be only using the money to slowly grow the business. Okay, organic growth ही रहेगा, मतलब inclusive growth will be there, but it will be very slow. ठीक है, just in the graphical term there will be growth like this. Okay, but it will be a stable growth. in proprietorship. But in joint stock companies, initially the investment will be high, but the growth will be very huge. Fast, it will grow. So that's the reason they can invest in research and development. But they need to maintain many things. Like in public company, if you want to put your company on the stock exchange list, then you need to do a documentation, then you have to go for IPO. That is a huge process, lengthy process. Okay? Recently the IPO of Zomato, right? Yeah, Zomato was coming up. So for that IPO, Zomato needs to work before. So Zomato needs to hire an investment bank or a merchant bank. Then they need to hire underwriters, and the बहुत लंबा process. So they will be charging, they will be doing due diligence, and the entire process will be there. It will take for months or 1 year together. Then they will be coming up with IPO. And if IPO goes successful, only then their company will be registered on the stock exchange. Otherwise, they will be again back to square one, back to private company. Okay. So once it is in the IPO successful and they are listed on the stock exchange, you can easily find the financial information or any information about that company. They need to put it on their website, NSE, BSE के websites, maybe they need to put it. So if you want to check the financials of Tata Motors, you can easily go on any website and you can find it. Money Control में मिलेगा, NSE, BSE on their website. Anywhere you can easily find the financials of Tata Motors. Any decisions they are taking, who is the owner, who has the maximum shareholders का list क्या है. Everything you will get it. So there is no secrecy basically. But if you want to check about Flipkart, the financials of Flipkart, उसका कितना profit हुआ, ये सब you will not find it because it is a private company. Okay, but there are some things they need to publish it. Okay, what Flipkart will be doing, Amazon will be watching here and there. So still secrecy will be less, but it will be there for for private company. Public company there is very less secrecy. Whereas in sole proprietorship partnership, में no one will come to know कि क्या चल रहा है. ठीक है. And then the last one, one thing wanted to tell, joint stock companies में there is also called as one person company. Okay, one person company maybe there will be only one person. ठीक है. अच्छा, for example, if you want to set up a private company, you need at least 2+ people to start a private company. Okay. If you want to start a public company, there will be 7+ people. You need 7 or more people. They will be there for a public company, public limited company, private limited company. Then 2+ है ना. So if only one person is there, still he can form a company. It will be called as one person company, and it will have certain different legal things. Okay, it will be called as a company. He will not be liable for everything. जैसे companies में limited liability है, but sole proprietorship में it was unlimited liability. He has to put it from his own pocket if there is losses or he needs to pay to someone. He needs to put it from own pocket. But one person company में it will be not like that. Okay, and the liability will be limited to whatever investment he has done, and the company will be taken over by anyone after him. Okay, he needs to appoint a nominee. There is a nominee clause itself. Again, part of 6th module. Nominee clause रहेगा. He needs to appoint a nominee. Then the nominee will take over the business. Okay, so ऐसा है one person company में. So it is a beneficial, but it is a time consuming and a huge documentation is also required for one person company. The dealings will be there using bank accounts. ठीक है. Cash dealings will not be there. Sole proprietorship में there are cash dealings basically ज़्यादा होता है. But in companies the cash dealings are very less. Okay. ठीक है. The last is cooperatives. कुछ डाउट है यहाँ तक? ठीक है. So cooperatives, as you are aware of, it is a kind of a society, a movement. Okay, in which generally it was introduced because of economically weaker section of society who cannot. They will come together and they will form a cooperative. They cannot start a company or such thing, so they will come together and form a cooperative. There will be membership in cooperatives. There will be members. Okay, they'll be not owners नहीं रहेंगे cooperative के, they'll be members. It can be a producers cooperative और a credit housing जैसे बैंक रहता है, ठीक है, कोऑपरेटिव बैंक्स रहते हैं, तो क्रेडिट सोसाइटीज दे कैन फॉर्म, हाउसिंग सोसाइटीज रहते हैं, इफ देर आर 1 or 2 buildings or more than some flats are there, more than 12 flats are there in a single building, एक बड़ा सा टावर भी है, more than 12 flats are there, they can form a housing society. So in a housing society all the expenses will be, there will be kind of a maintenance charges taken from each of the flat, and then there will be expenses shared between all the people. Okay, whatever expenses of building will be coming, okay, so they will be handling that using that cooperative society. They cannot form a company, okay, because company needs to pay taxes then. Okay, the huge taxes will be there for companies, but a cooperative housing company nahi banana hai, so company ke better it is easier to form cooperatives, especially labor cooperatives and many marketing farmer cooperative रहता है. So it will be a kind of a membership in which different uh, unlike companies, ठीक है, only collected to region, ऐसे they form a cooperative, and then it is easy to form. Basically stability है and limited liability है, rest of the things remains the same, ठीक है. But again the disadvantage of it is there is a lack of capital because only few people will be involved, and because of region or because of same things they will be involved, so capital investment is low, and there might be a more political interference in this, and cash trading is involved, same like sole proprietorship में जैसे था, cash trading ज़्यादा होता है, and political interference is much more. But it is good as far as India is concerned. थोड़ा ऐसा good है, milk cooperatives रहेगा, then farmers cooperative रहेगा, then for silk manufacturing साड़ी के लिए, इसके लिए, तो there are cooperatives for that. ये इतना ही है. So there, it is a different. But as the technology is coming in and the growth of the economy is going, cooperatives are reducing, and mostly companies are forming, because to form a company, to incorporate a company, it is much more advantageous than to form a cooperative. Okay, so that's the reason one person company has also come into existence from 2013 onwards. So 2013, right? So it has been 7-8 years. One person company can be formed. ठीक है, तो कभी भी कोई भी कंपनी में अप्रोच कर रहे हो, चेक वेदर इट इज एन, इफ यू आर गोइंग फॉर एन मल्टीनेशनल कंपनी, जैसे अभी जैसे ग्रैंड थॉटन में इनका होता है प्लेसमेंट्स, सो इट इज एन LLC, it is called. It is not or else INC. Okay, the companies which are there from UK, ज़्यादातर इंडिया में जैसे भी फॉर्म करते हैं, वी राइट प्राइवेट लिमिटेड और लिमिटेड, इफ इट इज अ पब्लिक लिमिटेड लिखते हैं, and we call it a company. Okay, but if you are from the North American side or South America's American continent, say, या फिर ऑस्ट्रेलिया, वहाँ से है ना, they don't mention company, they write incorporated. Okay, it's Amazon Incorporated, Amazon Incorporation, sorry, Amazon Incorporated, वैसे लिखेंगे. Okay, they'll not write CO LTD. Okay, like that. Company limited नहीं लिखेंगे, company नहीं लिखेंगे, और limited नहीं लिखेंगे. They'll write incorporation. So same way, limited liability partnership which I was mentioning, so LLP का भी they will have LLC करके. Okay, again out of the syllabus I'm talking, LLC करके they will be having, and MLP करके है, Master Limited Partnership. Master, ठीक है. See, this is the short form of this will be LLP. ठीक है, उनका short form is MLP. Both are same, 99% same. Okay, might be some legal differences will be there, but as far as company is concerned, both are almost same. Limited liability partnership or master limited partnership. Okay, master limited partnership, they can put it on the stock exchange as well. They don't need to form a company for that. ठीक है, वो इधर से easily you can buy the shares of master limited partnership. You don't need to go for the partnership DDS, ऐसा कुछ नहीं रहेगा. It will be just like a company itself. ठीक है, but it will be a partnership firm. So the rules and regulations of company will not be applied here. ठीक है, when we'll do rules and regulations of company in the 6th model, I'll tell you. ठीक है, how to incorporate company, क्या memorandum of association, articles of association, ये सब होता है. We'll discuss that. ठीक है, so here we complete this session. Oh, sorry. Yeah, module and the session both. Okay. Anything related to this module or anything related to subject? Together, we'll wind up. Okay, next module. Next time we'll start with the fourth module, and I'll inform you about the IA test and about the presentation of organizational study very soon.